ono na ye de naba se na basa betia kediafo obebubu dade adaban na wa yusumu akurade abie ene ti sa okwa boya ya obatia ni opatafo na se mo ba to yeso onso beti opatafo ati finso ni obatia ni opatafo na force krade e hodia na wasai bebia yeah professor Patafo man of God eradishirawo yeah Patafo eradishirawo yeah professor Patafo yeah mama you go eradishirawo Patafo eradisho debia maya bofira na fesi afira na ba amiaya no this of my dendene osi ujatano na odumo jantu mi okana na for pesu afesi ana osa nyarewa that's our kind of pa eya na juri pie bu kese esa no nyame aya no ni din di Patafo that's a who sign this morning obaya chachama erinya wo yiri anambo su se Dubai ayo nyangu ponsofo ema mu yi edie sa oya ne money esro no ebrise won kita radidi kwawate yeah prophet Patafo man of God eradishirawo yeah no Patafo yamawa iko eradishirawo yeah prophet Patafo man of God eradishirawo yeah Patafo yamawa iko eradishirawo esimala mo fira na fe podia menyini media mi hu di phobia otisa Patafo ano kanesi afira neba ashane jina Patafo ode na wodi asam na asam so mi erade esa no nyame aya no waya no se o my denden osi ujatano na wodu ojatumi akana na for pesuagu afesi ana osa nyarewa na sa wakano brompa ejura epiemu kese sa no nyame aya no ni din di Patafo ayo nyango ponsofo eba wo yie yo we are the body esuro no we say won kita eradidi kwa Patafo man of God eradishirawo yeah no Patafo yamawa iko eradishirawo the spirit of heaven ministry Patafo eradishirawo yamawa iko Patafo prophet Patafo eradishirawo na amen.
I'm baby, I will be able to I believe somewhere. Maybe I will call Today happens to be on the 22nd of August, 2025. It's 11 past the hour, 8 o'clock p.m. Kindly do me a favor by sharing this live telecast with a lot of people as much as you can, especially the groups that is created and dedicated for OPATAFUOR and the Senate of Heaven's Ministry. Let me quickly glance through some of your greetings. We have Eva Duwahin, Stobite, Elizabeth Odro, Gladys Enim Bruce, Mami Kunadu, Jiwadel, Constance, Gideon, Omari Ankoma, Vida Insia. You can send your greetings at the comment section so that I can also read it out and then do respond to you. Good evening to everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Sheena. Achapi Asante. And you may any die ni a obrase kwa so mo amola we su nyina me chiamo. O a umfa won chiama ye na odi aba. E ma we su mfi se enene wo first day anu a click it. Or subscription button and I say click your like button so. Now I have it. Bashiru Fayao. Reverend Nedu. Erong Babu. Laurent Babu and Watara. Babu it is saying now maybe Kwadwo Apia Asante. Kwadwo nansa asemete won kanche. Ana last 3 days were you online? Ana okay. She say me back okra nti bi bakura me hunu. Kwadwo yes why hot pa. Kwadwo Apia. Obi wala and say you make hot. Wagwan. Hagar it's saying Kwadwo e dia ya. Dia nkwa na ama Kwadwo. Obi abrante waso e hyehyehye. Justice Osafo, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Me pacho. Okay, let me keep it to myself. Mumuni Agana Bugiri, how you doing? I believe you're doing well. Panda Bibiaboko. Okay, Higabar says, Papa, I have sent you a hot message on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much. When I close from this live section, I'll cross-check everything and let you know and get back to you, okay? Okay, and you may me movie be aquaba. Yeah, G5. Steven Nado. Let me go swear bon kai say. OPATAFUOR channel no. And I'm say, yeah, having into. Very soon I'll be switching to Rhyme TV. So in case if you haven't subscribed, kindly go there and then do subscribe. Why? Dr. Odrum, Ko bi aboko de. Yambe okay, Patrick, Reverend Adakwa, Alisa Sam, Kofi Kweku, Dr. Drew, Samuel Saki, Samuel to say, Adaroma. And this station will also as well. It will also as well run some of our programs. But you see, we want to reach out to a lot of people, especially people that are not conversant with the local dialect. We want to reach out to the populace. And you and I will attest to the fact that once you keep on speaking this live local language, you are limited within the Twi speaking community. And you see, we have a lot of people outside who don't even know the language Twi, so we have to change everything. Really? Wow, Samuel Saki says the triplets have grown. Really? We thank God for that. I really thank God for your life. Akosia Sewa to say where. If you really understand what I'm saying, we actually want to reach out to people. There are a lot of people outside world who also really want to listen to some of these teachings. But probably because all the teachings that is being held on this channel, it's being held in a local language. So majority of the people who are outside world are not conversant with it. So I had to try as much as possible and then switch so that people out there will also understand. So try and then put yourself in my shoes and understand me very well. And at the same time, if hadn't been that, this very channel is being attacked by people, probably because they have the IP address and this channel was created in this country. So because of that, they have access to the IPs and then they can use the IP to torment or hack your system. So I had to switch to the Rhyme TV, and the Rhyme TV was created in the United States, and the people in this country can't penetrate the service in America. So I had to switch so that we will pick the feed from the Rhyme TV and then telecast it right here on OPATAFUOR TV. So whenever that I'm live on Rhyme TV, you will as well see me on OPATAFUOR TV. So you just don't worry. It's just that I want people to be aware so that when they see me telecasting some of my teachings in the English language, they will know exactly why I am doing that. So kindly inform a lot of people. Okay. Of course, the Rhyme TV will rhyme with a reason. So get yourself prepared. Very soon, I'll be switching to Rhyme TV. Mariam, Augustina, Elizabeth, Andrew. The chairman, and you bring a media domain. The pacho, or question be a bit media banner, and you bring a dren home. Na bibia yefe. I'm waiting patiently for your questions. Just throw any questions to me. You have any questions over there? o asembisa bia mpacho to bo me na enye fe nipa bia o asembisa bia no to fa bo me metie mo America, mo Germany, mo Italy, mo Spain, mo United Kingdom. Mechia bunyina, mechia enkranfo. Almost say me fans a one crying door pa. I've gotten a lot of followers in Accra. Tiwa one crying bia mechia. Mo Eastern region mechia mo. Kumasefo so mechia mu bisa. Tieni kumasefo so mechia mu bisa. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can bring it on board. Ebenezer Dunya, he says, "Enti ya hobechiri yasa kusida ben." Ebenezer da ya hochire na chiwana. Big ups. Na August me pacho se ntwa mu. Se me catch say August we omo year spiritual operations. Omo bo nipa bi form. You see so far spiritually nipa matimi capture omo ye. Be 400 and something thereabout million. Nipa yet me capture me 400 something thereabout million. So I see at least let's see 400 million people have been captured spiritually. And after this August, from September 1st, you understand the realities of life and how things are going to be handled. Yeah, I'm putting it that way. Okay, so and Simpson, yes, I'm doing well. Yes, bring any question. Kwadrama Nkwa, Stella, a champon. Stella, let's say, Abna, Amsterdam. Amsterdam, for you now, here. Say, Bibi Aboko. Yachiamo Soso. Ebenezer Hinitachi. Paul Suman, Michiamo. Mumini, please, if you can rephrase your question because I don't get it. It says what they want to use for that people. I don't get you, Muni. Can you please come again and then rephrase your question? Yes, if you have any question that baffles your understanding, anything that is highly inimical to your ambition, bring it. A parapsychological question. Any question that is susceptible to paranormal, you have it, bring it. Hey, Maminda. There is a Plevy. He says, long life, Papa, please, what shall I do to receive the presence and the glory of God? One Ebu say Radi Bibi. He says, from the day of John the Baptist to date, nobody had ever asked God for anything. Why? Because we go before God and then ask of visa, documents, jobs, and stuff. These are petty things to the dismay of the Holy Spirit. So if you want, you ask, God will give you. Sanity. No. Amajimai says that, please, all the people used for sacrifices through car accidents, plane crashes, etc., do their spirit take revenge? It's a lie. Your spirit will only take revenge on one condition. Amajima say woman and crofo ku omo e de omaye sacrifice ka kwa ihia obi na achi obi ekunu obi na abo otu sa crofo no e ya omo sa beto omo ba beto re ama sa obetimi ato obi sore a enam ekwan ba akopeso nyesa obi ku a wakun free obi ku a wakun free. And yes, what's your real name? What's your real name? Because what's your real name? It says today is your birthday. What's your real name? Etiama, you can only revenge based on one condition, and that is all. When you allow somebody to kill you in the realms of the spirit, it means that your spirit have been captured by that said entity that killed you. So you become a slave in the kingdom of that entity or principality who killed you. Okay, he says, my name is Sorov. Is it Sorov or Saraf? From India. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Were you born in India or you are watching me live from there? Which country are you by origin? Amajimai. So that's the whole issue. You can only avenge for yourself when somebody kills you or somebody deliberately takes your life. You can only avenge it on one condition, and the condition being is that you have subscribed to an entity when you were alive. Maybe you have a spiritual protection and then you die. With that one, we can contact the spirits to which you serve when you were alive. Then we try and then do some rituals and incantations, and then there are certain things that will be performed behind closed doors, and by so doing, the spirit to which when you were alive you used to serve will start avenging on your behalf. But you in person, you can't. Once you allow yourself stand so loose for somebody to take your life, it ends everything. Okay, Nash. Okay. You are from Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Thank you very much. God bless you. Happy birthday. A year by this time, your life will never be the same. The story will change. God bless you. May the Spirit of God enlarge your territories and be blessed beyond measures. God bless you so much. So, Amajiman. So try and then get this once and for all. Once you stay loose for somebody to kill you, you don't have that capacity to avenge for yourself. Even if such will happen, I've told you that it will only happen based on one condition. And the condition being it that when you were alive, you were under the ordinance of a deity. So when a different deity or anybody tries to take your life, then this deity will come in. And that is the whole issue. Reverend Adakwa says, Daddy, please, about Christians, the way so difficult is how God created it. I don't get you. Is it a statement or you are trying to add up something? Okay. No. Don, he says, please, Prophet, my question is, does all the fallen angels and demons in good terms? No. There are how many people Bishop Belinda Brown, he says, greetings, Papa, please pray for mom. She had stroke yesterday. What happened? You had a stroke yesterday. What happened? Rexford Boache, Papa, did Adam marry Eve? Since the Bible claims that they were the first people to marry. I've been hearing some of these pastors making some assertion that Adam paid the bride price of Eve to God. It is a lie. God doesn't take any bride price from anybody. God doesn't take any bride price from anybody. Okay. Okay, Reverend Adakwa, I've gotten your question now. Reverend Adakwa say, the way a Christopher asem edin start saying and Yankopon bo. Reverend, let me tell you some little fact and truth. The reason why some people are hard-hearted, recalcitrant, unserious type in a society is that when God created human, he imbued in us what we call wisdom. And wisdom is the godlike nature or the entity that lives in human, that decides. So once your mind, your emotions and everything is subject to change, God does not interfere. Anything that is subject to human will, sometimes God does not interfere unless the third person involved calls upon the Spirit of God. That is why a truck fully loaded with humans will get accident and die, yet they are believers and nothing. The Spirit of God or an angel will never appear to intervene. God will sit down comfortably and allow those people die. Likewise, the incident that happened in Accra Road that took the life of these 17 children. It should tell you something. Our human brain, or the way we were created, is such that God gave us brains, and the brain acts like God. Anything that is beyond you, your human thinking, you consult your intelligence, you consult your brain. And by so doing, it means that everything within you, conditions, are subject to human will. And sometimes God does not interfere. So all these believers and Christians out there, those stubborn Christians out there, they have decided to choose that life path. Some of them are demonically possessed. Some are obsessed. Some are also under the oppressions of demons. It is demons that have made their life have made them to behave in that weird manners. If you understand what I'm saying. So, onipa bia wonipe. Onipa bia wonipe. Nti obi anaso odin bia no na atwusu. Eye enipa maako bi onu miensa bi. Ena ahomone etiti wo mumu. Anase ahohomone eye wo mu. anya sadia onipa adwene na ada ni tirim na ete se nyame so atiase onipa onyame ne wa adwene enti bibi kire wo so a wa adwene ne na wo consult no enti ade a utimi consult wa adwene ema wa adwene take decisions bia no sometimes onyankopon ombam ojaa ma wo ye de obeye enti a Christopher ne de omadwene na ada wo mutirim no omo na omo pe na omaye omadwene sa omo na omo pe na omaye omadwene sa sanity omo na omo a Christopher na pe na omaye omo sa okay Jewado ani. So anything that is subject to human will, sometimes the Spirit of God does not interfere. The reason why most of you people, these Christians, they are living their life majestically just like that. And it doesn't concern God's Spirit. Why? Because God has given you its nature, or the godlike nature in you is your brain. That is why when something sinks inimical to your ambition, you consult your mind. Your mind, it's a faculty on its own within the human system. Everything is being operated from this place. So once human actions, human behavioral patterns is subject to human will, God will never interfere. Once you see God interfering with human decisions, then you should understand that whatever that the person wants to do, it goes beyond the physical realm. What you say? Ade bi ani papa so ye bia. Aburo se uhu se nyame abamu a na se bro ho honam ani atrako spiritually. Ntano de nyankopon bebem. It's a lie. You can't deceive the mind. You can only deceive the heart. Nobody here on earth can deceive the mind. You can only deceive the heart. But most of the times, most people don't understand the difference between the mind and the heart. Some mistake the mind as the heart, and some also mistake the heart as the mind. You can only deceive the heart, but not the mind. Deceive you akoma, and you are the mind is always there to tell you the truth. The mind, it's like the processor. Yes, oh, a question of Abra. And Tisana Abra Bonnetemia. Beyond my a Christopher, they be a catcher say, you leave them. Mr. Victor, the reason why I don't want to respond to your question is because I've already taught you people about snakes. So once you see this, you should know how to navigate your way out. Once you saw in a dream where a huge python was hiding in a pool under a bridge and you commanded to leave, but after it left, you saw that it had laid eggs in the pool. you should know. You should know that I've already taught you the implications or the consequences of you having an encounter with the serpent in a dream. I've quoted quotations backing some of my claims, so you should know it. Tinedu, the reason why I don't want to mind you is because I've already taught you this. I've taught it in church. The video is online, and I've spoken about this Metatron issue several times. I've spoken about it. So when you go ahead and repeat yourself, I will not mind you. Okay? Good. I've answered the question. Don, I've answered your question. The question you asked, you said, please, prophet, why are the fallen angels and demons not okay? This is another question. Okay, why is it that they are not in good terms? Because they serve different hemispheres or dimensions. I've told you that we have Leloria spirit, Aria spirit, Chitonia, Hypochitonia, Hydria, though they all work together so that the devil's agenda here on earth will come to a succession. You should understand what I'm saying. We all agree that all these demons and fallen angels, they all work in accordance to help fulfill the agenda of the devil here on earth. But you see, probably because these demons, they don't come from one spiritual dimension, but from a different dimension. Sometimes there could be a rival or a shift in the rest of the spirit, some kind of misunderstanding or fight between these demons. You see, the demons and fallen angels, they live their life or operate like the way we humans operate. The fact that you have a brother or a sister does not mean that you can't burst into a litigation or misunderstanding. You could do it, but yet in the later on, then you people sit yourself down and resolve issues out. The same thing also implies to these demons and fallen angels out there. They can burst into litigation or any sort of quarrel, but yet they will sit down and solve things out. That's how demons operate. A demon operating from Accra, Tema, can come to Kumasi and wage war against the principalities and powers over here. But it's just that these entities, they work in one accordance to fulfill the agenda of the devil here on earth. But yet, they all have their individual differences. Yes, if you have any question, you can bring it. Ironadu, very good evening to you. How are you doing? I believe you are doing well. If you have any question, you can bring it. Victor, you see, don't be offended, okay? I've already treated this topic several times, spoken about it. I even went ahead to an extent to differentiate when you see a python or this cobra and then these other snakes over there. I've already spoken about it. I've given a quotation to support it several times. Even last week, I spoke about it. Last 2 weeks, I spoke about it. Anybody who has been following me very well will attest to the fact that OPATAFUOR always talks about a serpent. Ironadu, yes. Yes, if you have any question, you can bring it. If you have any question, you can bring it. Sorry. I was saying catchy, but money how and yes, me prepare or send a bear. It is Burofuma or bear normal. Aye, money out. Say what brief for to say Bibia Woko. See a Christopher Yamena ball, Masao Masodi. That's very interesting. Yes, if you have any question, you can bring it out. You see, in this world, I always keep on telling you that I had the opportunity to meet one professor, and then he actually said something to me. And since then, probably because of what the professor said, it has changed everything about me and the narrative. The word heavens. Rexford Boachi says, Papa, why did God created heavens but one earth? When we talk about heavens, most of you people think that it's one planet or something of that sort. Let me tell you, when we talk about heavens, it's like saying earth, like Earths. So it means we have plenty earths. But probably because we have one single planet called Earth, that is why we have Earth. But when we talk about heavens, heaven speaks about all these planets that lives in that God created in the interdimensional world. We have so many planets. When we say heavens, it's an English word. It means not one planet, about 30, 40, depending on their number. We have Mercury over there. It's a heaven. Mercury is one heaven. Mars is one heaven. These sun and other intergalactic world, interplanetary world that live in a rarefied sphere beyond the moon. When you go to space, all these planets over there are called interplanetary. And these interplanetary, we call it heavens. Anything that lives above the earth is called heavens. So we have heavens because there are so many planets beyond this earthly dimension. It doesn't necessarily mean that God created like heaven like this and he divided it into maybe 100. There are so many planets, and all these planets, they have a different name, but in the collective form we say heavens. Margaret, I'm doing well. Victor, it's a secret. It's a secret. It says, what specific direction did Esther do to such that she was able to turn around the case against Haman? I feel she did more than just the 3 days of fasting. Aaron, yes. You see, I don't know why you people keep on repeating yourself. Aaron Edu, I have treated this topic. It's online. Just go through some of these uploaded videos over there. You get it. The people who lived before Adam was created. And I told you that the Garden of Eden was not created specifically for Adam to come in and then reside. The Garden of Eden was created for Lucifer. When you read the book of Isaiah, it will tell you that the Garden of Eden was initially inhabited by Lucifer. until when they rebel against the Spirit of God, and then they threw them out of the Garden of Eden. And probably because God took his time to integrate all the features that was in Garden of Eden, God didn't want the situation where the Eden will be left bare just like that. So he had to create a new species to come in and then occupy that space. This was when he called unto the Elohims, the other gods. He summoned them and then confer a lot with those people. And they agree that they have to create an entity that would look like they themselves, they the Elohims. This is where the ideology of human creation was engineered. And then they created Adam and Eve. So go through some of the videos that is being uploaded online. You'll get it. What I say? Oh, my church Musani Marina, Madaroma. A church Madaroma. Oh, why? Oh, mon share video no. Yes, if you have any question, you can bring it out. You can go there and then check things out. Yes, bring your questions. When question in answer. Okay. Let me take it like that. This shows that majority of you people, you are limited, right? What you were being taught was just a few. So you don't necessarily have a lot of information. It's like when you have a lot of information, this is where you can ask more. But once you don't have a lot of information, when it comes to asking questions, you are limited. Okay, let me pick this one. She says, oh yes, Ebenezer, it's true. You are limited. You have a little in here. And the ones you have asked them all. So you don't have anything left. How I wish you had the opportunity like the way God has given to me so that you can tap through certain mysteries. Okay, I have some questions. He says, Jeffrey or say, Papa, please, what is the sign that when you see it will tell you that's a divine angel? Once you meet an angel of the Lord, it will automatically tell you its identity. If you understand what I'm saying. I know most of these angels are very deceptive, and they have it. They have that spirit of deception at their fingertips like that. But once an angel of the Lord appears to you, automatically, that angel will identify itself Once the angel of God appears to you, it will identify itself to you that, Papa, of late, there is confusion all over about Nigerian pastors and Ghana pastors that this person is teaching mistake here and there. Please, what is your take on that? I don't really get you. I don't really get you. If you can rephrase your question again. Who and who is teaching mistakes? Who is carrying out a fake teachings? And who are they holding bearing grudges against? Tell me. You can, if you can rephrase your question, I'll be very glad. Very glad. Be very glad. Be very glad. It says Jesus did not allow Mary Magdalene to touch him, but he allowed Thomas. Does it have anything? And it doesn't have anything. Does it have anything? Van Ophelia. It says, Papa, please, how can I be part of Zenith family? When the time comes, you come, right? You register your name, Eric Kwesitego. You register your name and per your behavior. If we can live with you, we will give you a card. Kofi Kweku says here, what makes humans unique? What makes us unique is we have blood. Angels doesn't have blood. Demons doesn't have blood. Do or say, for instance, so for back we say, and you can see a jet tight. Any papa say, it was see a tear tight. Ewa Nigeria. You see, when it comes to tithing, I usually don't talk about it. Why? Because tithe is something that I've spoken about it more than 4 or 5 times. I've spoken about tithe more than 4 or 5 times. The issues with tithing, it goes beyond what you people see physically and what you people understand. The case tithe, no, the way I'm who tithe no, a different from said the isitie. A bru nipa adwene so, a bru nipa ntiasie so. Abraham kreatua tithe. Na hwan ni onipa? Abraham kreatua tithe. Even Abraham paid tithe. Abraham paid tithe. So who is human? Who are human to deny that fact? It's just that the strategies which some of these men of God deploy to extort money from people are highly uncalled for. With that, why we can talk against it. But not to just get up and say, hey, it is not good to take tithe. Who told you? And the tithe there, remember, some kasafa won't be brave because TNA, Mamin Chrewa Hebrews chapter 7, verse number 1 down to 3 or something like that. Let me read the tree version. Or say, Nasa Melchisedeki, or ye Salem hene, or suru ni Yankopon sofo. Answer now, me catch us a Melchisedek. oye Jacob tumfuo sofo panyine a enka Roman mu anke beka se on the bob mass emanyankopon tieniye me say fight biem Hebrews chapter 7 verse 1 or say na sa Melchizedek Salem hene osoro nyankopon sofo Abraham kokum ahene no na orisane aba no okohia no hyira no enso Abraham ano ade nyina so entotosuo dudu ekire se oyetri ni hene kane na enu akiri no oye Salem hene ene asundwie hene oni agya enina oni awonto atoaso oni na emfiti ase ana enkwa awieye na wode no toto onyankopon ba no ho a oye osofo rekosi Sara what you say Tio verse 4 or say na munhwe onipa yi a ejapanyini Abraham mano asade no so entotosuo dudu no so oso na won a ofri Lewi emamunya asofu juma. Yes, when you read it you understand it. Enti me question is say Abraham create ya tight at the Melchizedek into all your wire also won't ya tight. Obetimi aka kyerem say me your OPATAFUOR intimintia. I don't have anything against you. It doesn't necessarily mean say and untimi ma wa sorry and I say untimi nya onioma. Nemono the benefit of tithing enu na wunya bida tieni enu na wunya bida tithe emfaso ewo omutua tithe so no enu wunya bida. Christianity is a principle. Once you follow the principle you are good to go. Follow principle obi ani uni asem enu nkire say wuntua tithe ya untimi manyankopon fie ekire say obi a wontua tithe bia no enhira ewo tithe mu no untimi mmabi he mamenka asem nchiro tithe baabia ne ho yentua tithe baabia ukobayiem uko bosum uko Freemason fuom omutua tithe Freemason for tua tithe every gathering bia ombeko bia sika omunya no omuyibi e de ye entoboa me odifo OPATAFUOR me say me OPATAFUOR me say enye obi na see o ye tua tithe wo ba bia na eno na Reverend Adakwa ekae no e Christopher no magibi enti jawo mo enti na me odifo OPATAFUOR me ha me ho ewo asori ba ontua tithe ho if you say emfa me ho na emom no so obi hunu nyansa na otua tithe dia meso me wade a me ye wo achi abra wada sa na abra bonite enti untimi nhye wo bi se chinchina da ontua tithe eno de me pa cho oye sofo a enye bi da e ma ne nya wo se obi antua tithe a nyankopon onhwew e ma ne nya wo sa da nyame obehwew so what you say eye Kristo ni nko na obetimi adada no eye Kristo ni nko a untimi na ada obi he ukọ enkramosumu a amadiafo amadiafo omkọ asori a Friday bia omo de collection bowl esi ho ejiji entoboa amadiafo to collection kramoni enkramofo amadiafo omo to collection osemeboa go and ask them. Go and ask them. Osemebua, go and ask them. Freemason for tienie. Freemason for shia bia. Omuchiji entoboa. na ye de ato ekuo nim na ekuo na timi aye strong na ade na Kristo ni nko ade ukochia na wose wontua ade ntia ne sofo ye kronfo ne sofo ye apoboni eye Kristo ni nko a Freemason ni bia ni honom a obetumi akogina ba bia di ne grandmaster atem da Freemason ni bia ni ho Freemason ni bia ni ho enti mi busawo amediafo na omo kwa asori omo to collection kramofo amediafo no enti se omo koyi sika free eye enkramofo fotuo na omo de abesi Masarachi ana omo de be renovate wa enti shake na odi animu no enti sika no 1 cedi kura no onfa bi entonsuo no mu ana eye common sense. Now ukọ abusunsumu a busa konfuo bi ase enipa na omoba na dwuma so no ha wo mu a omoba konfuo no ho ebeye abisade no sanity omo mba konfuo no ho ebeye abisade no ubehunu se bosome so a bosom no mane yi sika ni bi na odi akoto odwan na odi akum edi ama bosom no bosom no ne ntoto so ene ne tight ena wagye no ukọ bayie mu a me mahu minima bayfuo bebre makuma bayfuo bebre now die ne se style say no msi operate bayfuo bi atua na boade bayfuo bi a otua na boade eye Kristo ni nko na oka owo questions ebekeka enti me no opatafo no me odifo opatafo se ka tight nko ade anka unya me da me ha me ho asole ba wontua tight ena me enya afi na me behunahuna waka kire wo se wantua tight ya wo be kobo nsem gem wantua tight a nya me bekum sansem hunu no me nkika bi nkire wo da ebi kura nsi da na emom se de wo wonam no sasa na obeda sa na tie nyina no yensum nyame ne yenko utua tight ya vine when tua tight ya eye Kristo ni nko a me opatafo ma meet a lot of gurus ma meet enipadom me ne soldiers from painful ahia pen na me daso no omonam me ne police from painful me ne lawyers me ne judges for ahia. I have laid my hands on judges and pray for them. Many legal luminaries, many medical expert fuashia. The bomb payama. Sansu the meshia ahemfo akese. Amari henia omuwo wiase. Meshia ahemfo na I pray for them and bless their life. There may person me chiro say, I have met countless of humans from all walks of life. And that thing called tithe, it cuts across, but it is only the Christians who are false. And to me, I don't waste my time on a Christian. Me hame hu Kristo ni ho. Me hame ho. O Kristo ni ho. O ye me day opatafo who steady me life na. What steady me life na me hame hu Kristo ni ho. And me anya nsem nyina na yeka. So you leave them. Amen ka asem nchiro. Mamen ka asem nchiro. O si me ba cho hwan na betimi a kire sa asem we ase amame. Hwan na betimi a kire sa asem we ase amame. Mame o si pilgrim, shall thy soul in syllogistic amber, lest Kronos mow, rend what frail reasons cannot clamber. Listen to me. O pilgrim, shelf thy soul in Syogistic amber, lest Chronos Mo rent what frail reasons cannot clamber. What you say? Asemna mekan, what you say? Asemna mekan. Me see, oh pilgrim, shelf thy soul in a Syogistic amber, lest Chronos Mo rent what frail reason cannot clamber. Unima sechere. Afe na unam Google echo search. You're funny. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. O search no Google. Kwana ko search bra me twen. Christopher de how who Christoni who Christoni each one is to himself. Ubia fight you, ubia fight it. Etiopa abrabo na obo no fa wonsem fa wabrabo yensem keka ne fa wabrabo eye de wa ope eye wa wasem. You own your own life, you own your own destiny. When you grow in the realms of the spirit and physically, you understand some of these things. You will never worry yourself about people and how they live their life. They have labored, toil, and struggle for their money. They can decide not to pay tithe. You can't do them anything. So you shouldn't use any dubious means to intimidate them, thereby extorting money from them. Now, don't do that. If you're a pastor, don't do that. Amen. You see my life. You see how powerful I live my life. Oh, I'm not kind. Only as you, a brofo. But it's just that the statement was phrased in ultra obscure couplet. Asemna mekan e brofo nanso wonti ase adentia because mekan such a way say unhunu e brofo. It was one of my professors who actually said that to me. It was one of my professors who actually said that to me. He sat me down and said that to me. And I spent days trying to read meanings to it. So when I was able to grasp the full meaning of whatever that the professor said to me, from that very day, I became very careful in life. That is why I don't joke. He says, oh, pilgrim, shelf thy soul in a Syogistic amber, lest Chronos Mo rent what frail reasons cannot clamber. So I am also telling you tonight, if you're charismatic or whatever church that you find yourself in, I am also telling you tonight that, oh, pilgrim, shelter thy soul in a Syogistic amber, lest Chronos Mo rents what frail reasons cannot clamber. I know you will not understand. Yeah, because this statement is constructed in an ultra obscure couplet way, so you will never understand. But in simple terms of whatever that I said is think deep or time will eat you. Think. You are human. Think. Chronos Mo. Jenny. Me professor been a catcher me say. OPATAFUOR asase we na wo so no. Ade bia obeye bia Jenny. Anya sa emere ebe mene. Asie no. Osi asase we so no. It is a transit a ye free akọ. Enti onipa bi o wa asase so we bia. Or to say pilgrim. Utu kwan. Ma wani na ho. Nisu ye nyansa. Anya sa emre ebe mene. Asiye no. Na emum no eye professor for nsem to onti ase. Wa ye degree na anu ya no onti ase. Masters for no onti ase. I say, oh pilgrim, shelf thy soul. Shelf thy soul. In a syllogistic amber. Lest Chronos Mo rent what free reason cannot clamber. You will be what I see we so. Obeji chinisa na ni beba na hosna mera mene no anya 40, 50 years, 60 years. Ontimi nya hwe. Na yale asa abona ka ho obebre no asu saa na odi awukọ. Saa na abrabọ na tie. Enti dwene ade bi a wo ye no wasase we su bi adwene. Ade bi a wo ye bi adwene, wo ye oba adwene, wo ye bema adwene. Dwene kwa achiri pa adwene. Dwene enti me efiri da me professor kan say we kire me no. I don't joke with my life. When I see to it that you are not serious with your own life, no ma pam we firi me nchen, me ma oma me nchen bi. And until now have me bebiriba. Me am a block you. Me ma oma me nchen. Adinti ya. And nano ababa wabi. Na adwene ye ne say wonya 20 years or 18 years or more time ahead of her. Now she began misbehaving, having the mindset that she is beautiful. Nti woni namantam ho sa banchere obi aturufu a ontie nani ba na ho so wonya 30 years. 30 years. At the age of 30 years as a woman, she had nothing to write home about. No responsible man in her life. Nothing. She doesn't have anything in her bank account. Now she needs to keep on living her life just like that. Anybody who's new 40 years. Sister in 45 years. Oko hospital yes it's the yare hand. Into one namo sa no oku. Anybody who's new 60 years. When you 60 years na brabo papa bien or no life savings or no more brebia bim. When you're 60 years, I feel now solely this also quite juma. Into when you home made the bow cry. Into abrabona airborne. A Christopher adwene mu ha into me a Christopher me waste me time or more. Don't waste your time on Christians or else. You see the reason why they are poor, they have nothing to show. God is very nice and God is a peace-loving God. He is a justice spirit. But you know why Christians find it very difficult? I do need more. Almost kasa just like that. And I'm so into almost break. You see, Christians don't see their way out in any situations that confronts them in life. Don't be like them. Listen to me. Don't be like ordinary Christians who are followers of Christ. Those people, they don't have that thing in here. Jenny, we are paying me a Jenny. We are Kuala Jenny. We are software Jenny. Jenny, now when you beba hustle, no a big mistake. Untimi and correcting it da. When I'm come to enti we will be our Jenny. On kasasa keke. We are lawyer near Jenny. We a medical doctor, minia Jenny. Hey, Jenny what? Jenny, abrabona obono Jenny, en kasasa keke. En kasakeke sa Jenny. You see? Oh, pilgrim, shelter thy soul in a syllogistic amber. Shelter your soul. Jenny, ma wadwini munye duru. Yɛn pɛsɛ me ka kyerɛ wo no. Me ha me ho wɔ nipa ho, because what I know, what I've learned, what I've discovered, the series of researches that I've conducted, I just see humans. You just live your life just like that. Mmerɛ no so a wobɛfiri asase no so akɔ obiara bɛwu, but dwene mehwɛ mo mu bi a metumi sere hwɛ mu din sɛ mo mu nim deɛ mɔkeka ɛyɛ abrabɔ no na mo nenam mu saa ɛyɛ kwasi adasom ɛne memenda som na obi wɔ hɔ a wasɔre anɔpa yi ɔkɔtena adwuma mu a ɔbɛkasa saa na waba fie asɛm a ɔka no wɔ adwuma mu wɔ so nyansa biara nim na wabɛtena fie every day bia saa na n'adwene teɛ oh okwantuni a wabɛpie Ghana, okwantuni a wote America, okwantuni a wote Russia, wote Germany, wote India, hemfa na wote a wohwɛ me anwumere dwene wate. Shelf thy soul in a syllogistic amber, lest Chronos mo rent what frail reasons cannot clamber. Yɛwɔ adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ ma woyɛ ho hwee ɛnyɛ yie na yɛwo na wakreati saa problem na ma ho dwene. Oye obi bɔne a dwene. O ka asɛm bɔne afo obi ho a dwene. Ugu obi anim ase a dwene. Adeɛ bi a bɛyɛ wɔ asase so a bia dwene. Wate? Dwene. Oye nipa dwene. Pentecost ni a wohwɛ me dwene. Obi ka kyerɛ sɛ dwene a ondi watem o. Ondi watem dwene. Adwuma bi a woyɛ bia dwene. Teacher ni ba a wohwɛ me dwene. Dwene. Adeɛ bi a woyɛ na asase so bi a dwene. Nyɛ saa emere ebe mene. Chronos mo uni mo apantan. So one dwene a woyɛ teacher ni ba ma headmaster whatever headmistress one dwene a emere which is Chronos obe bie na num se no wa mene. Eye dakoro pe tie nie dakoro anase sema ene onipa di nya problem eye dakoro pe o ena sema ena nkwala ne di nya accident omu nyina awu se o 20 years o 18 years we ya brantie we ya oba mare nya o se obeye saa kwa wiye da ukohu se we ya oba ukohia oba bi na ne nofo asisi ni trase na odwene ne ho a ya busa saa woman no se ono so ne nofo enye nkorowa te se woda uhia we ya oba na uhia oba panimu a ne nofo asisi ni trase, which means I lose emu aye ndra ya busa ne se ono so ne nofo na uhu no se enye nkorowa pen se aye nkorowa na enne nofo no aye lusu saa ka hunu se sister osu beduru ho na kwan be na abefa so obeduru ho e ma ne nya o se wunduru ho daw bacho mo ana mo 30 years mo hwe me abra covid bae no sisi mo nya sei mo ana mo 40 years covid bae no me pacho sisi mo nya sei mo ana mo 50 years 60 years covid bae no me pacho mo nya sei adia ya wa asase we so adia ya wa asase we so people who practice religion, they don't think at all. Majority of them, it is only few people who exercise religion who uses about certain percentage of their cerebral capacity. Omo maka nyina omu nyusu o madwene otinyamesumu okasa kwa de bi obe de sana ade ache. Hwe okwantuni hwene wate de me hwe obia me hwe ose ya na ma osumiti odi pa be si aba obra bia na ye wa odia. I'm telling you All these religious people, these Christians, Muslims, and stuff, it is only few ones of them who uses their brains. Majority of them, they are daft. They are daft. They are bereft of discernment and intellectual acuity. Majority of them, these Christians, majority of them. My professor told me, says, you think you live at where you are. At that time when he told me that, I was at the age of 18 years. 18 years then. Since then, I don't joke with my life. I had the opportunity to meet a professor. 18 years then. I live by this principle. So I have recited this statement at the back of my mental faculty that I am a pilgrim. I am traveling. I am heading to somewhere. And this place has become a transit place for me. And I have to be very careful. Time is not on my side. With the little mistakes that you do, you can't recorrect things. It remains permanent till. Shene. When you're 40 years, and kwalasem wo wani so adwene. Echinyijie basa. Shene na kwa echiri wate. Na wanyini. Obi ka se dwene a onidi watem da. Shelter thy soul. The soul in you. Shout it in a syllogistic amber. Shout it. Lest Chronos mo. Rent what free reasons cannot clamber. It simply means all these statements. The simple translation of it means think deeply or time will eat you. The business moguls, those who own a chain of business conglomerate to their names, they know that time is not on their side, so they don't joke with their life. That is why if you are that jovial type, if you don't take life that serious, no rich man in this world will allow you to get closer to them. No rich man, no rich woman here on earth will ever allow you to get closer to him or her. Why? Because you don't take life serious. There are some people, no matter what you tell them, when you advise them, because of the advice you have given to them, they will become angry. I can't remember when I was growing, I saw my father. My father was that type. He used to look like a macho man, very strong man. Before my very eyes, today my father has lost its strength. All the strength, he has lost it all. He is now physically incapacitated. He doesn't have that strength again. It means time is gradually eating him up. A time is coming. He cannot even walk just a 1 kilometer. A time is coming. My father cannot walk just 1 kilometer. It should tell you that. Think. I don't waste my time on serious Christians who doesn't have anything to do with their life, parading themselves in churches, always debate that the pastor is that, the pastor is this. You tell them truth, and all of a sudden they become your enemy. They will develop some subtle hatred for you because you have told them the truth. These people, I don't go closer to them. They are not mine. No matter what, you will never get access to me because I don't roll like that. Christopher is serious. Almost life, you see somebody in a Freemason, and these people, when they go for meetings, they pay something, they contribute to their society. They contribute to their society. The Ahmadiyya, these Muslims, the Ahmadiyyas, when you go for church service on Fridays, each and every one of them will put their hands in their pocket and bring something out in aid of these mosques. When you go to these traditional worshippers, these fetish priests and priestess, and on every occasions within the week or within a day out of the month, they will pick money or carry money, go to the market, buy a sheep, buy a cow, or buy any sort of animal, kill it, and use it to appease their gods. Go to the circle of witches and wizards. They sacrifice a lot in their covings and cones. When it got to Christians alone, they started murmuring, they started talking, lambasting their spiritual leaders. You are this, you are that. You are duping your church members. When a Christian gives you $1,000, everybody will hear about it. He or she will lambast you with it. You will never forget. Why? Because they are shallow-minded people. Shallow-minded people. They are shallow-minded people. Go and ask the Muslims. They contribute to the fairness and the well-being of their mosque. Christians, shiakai. Uni ani swadi huna na obe dia Christopher echi. Uani swadi huna obe waste time wo mo. Na Christopher ayete sebe preko. U dware no said den obesa kotwa anwiem no aye ne hu fin. No wasabe gina wani meaning serade. Obebie kwa bi. Mama, no asabe to sankwase anwom no. Sa na Christopher tie. O madwene mu oha. Eye easy say obe dad. Ubetimi adada Kristo ni ba untimi nada Freemason ni da untimi nada Freemason ni untimi nada beifuo me say beifuo a ubo so wasachira afri ni bayikuo mu no na eye Nyankopon na strike no ana say tumi bi na abom me opatafuo na meka ubo so beifuo bi asachira no se magai bayie ni nya biemu a na eye nyame na strike no the occultic grandmaster now in Christ, Agnatizoma, that man from Nigeria. Go and ask him when he used to be in occultic kingdom, the things that he did, the atrocities he committed spiritually. And to me, OPATAFUOR, I am that type. I tend to relate to people how they relate with me. What's the do OPATAFUOR? I was a shame for me. Me ya matua soli me found me preachy ubetie fan e wawasem unti. I'm not in competition with anybody. If anybody tells you that OPATAFUOR is in competition with anybody, I am telling you the truth. I am never. And I will not also make mistake and waste my time on Christians because I know that I see the knowledge that I have here. It speaks a lot of volumes. I know the realities of Christians. Now, Yesu na nkasa kra ono ade ne hono na chidifo na de na omo no. Yesu achidifo no de na omo no. Yesu ono ankasa na chidifo no de na oye no. Barnabas, a thief like Barnabas was in cells. They reminded him. When he went to remind, that was the very time or era to which they got Jesus arrested. They took Jesus to countless of courts and all the cases to which they leveled against Jesus. They couldn't succeed. But yet, the people to which Jesus has once fed join hand together with the devil and said that they should release Barnabas and then crucify Jesus a man who was blameless, a man who was innocent. They did that to Jesus. The more Christopher the me say ya na masere. But if udi OPATAFUOR chia, me can crash shelf thy soul in a Syogistic amber, lest Chronos Mo rents what frail reason cannot clamber. Think deeply, or time will eat you. But yes, emre ebe minimum. Obi wo ho a osis won saa suban na achinyijie basa basa, achinyijie basa basa, achinyijie basa basa. Me pacho komenhia mo a mo hwe me no a Christopher na mo hwe me no mo nkomenhia ne kobusa menhia se eduru akwaside, eduru awukude, eduru fofia omunsa ema nananom enanu ewiakete otumfo se tu adum daytime adum daytime o blocky ha no blocky ha eno se emre duru se ogunsa ema nananom ena owura adum yefre baabi ensu ase ehɔ na boson kɛseɛ baako si suman kɛseɛ baako a ɛwɔ asantemam ɔkɔɔyɛ eno kogu so nsa tienio ensa na oguye no enye sika na ɔde tɔɔyɛ ni busam a Christopher na mo line so no ensa na yewura otumfo setu ɛtɔɔyɛ no me pacho enye sika na ɔde tɔɔyɛ sisei busa se ombekum odwan ana omnkum odwan ɛdeɛ ne yɛde bɛyɛ enye sika ya na afi o haw ne sei o haw ne sei se wo yo kristoni na o te asɔre fie esi tua tight anu wamu na bo afɔde a sɔfo ne ya azan me na me nkotua me sika ma sɔfo ni ene de se wagimi ana akɔ asɔre ene de wayɛ sei ana woyɛ sei ene de wayɛ sei ana woyɛ sei obi timi tu kwan free ha eko America obi ko India obi ko Benin ema ye ko bie efunada kaso ema ye bari ni wom oba wodi be command territories na ni business e koso ebi ti sika koto efun hunsuo ebi to placenta oba na wodi achi ni aye rituals agusu no wadi ha ye rituals edigu ensafufuo so na wanom na waye powerful enti woni ne timantamu a o Pentecost na wosom no kra de eye yawa ma no de bia wo ye powerful because watua na boade enti once nipa na tua na boade no eye dena na brabo be koso e de asene ha opa akwa sorry 24/7. Prosperity has nothing to do with prayers. Prosperity has nothing to do with fasting. You can fast and pray, but you won't prosper. The only keys to prosperity is by giving unto the kingdom and by taking spiritual directions from your spiritual head, and the mouth prosper. Asa. Na Abraham create ya title. So for bit me tena radio so. Or say into your tight. So for be en hwa or qualify say or je tight e was as we so no kro. So for be en hwa qualify so or je tight. Sanso na so for be en hwa qualify so or je for the. So for be en hwa qualify say or je offering. Ukwa asori kwesi ada ini kwa sa utua offering. Okwa sorry memenda ye to offering amen to be enya hwe because so for na ogina property so no on qualify why ebebo Christopher, we are funny. We want to think I'm fee. Ayi komfo, ah, komfo. Ubehu somebody who is intellectually, huh? A vacuous imbecile be who is bereft of intellectual acuity will be sitting on these media airwaves, being it the TV stations, the social media, or the radio stations, or say Argentina, ye jijisikana ye see they command Euradi. Oh, the shallow mindset and how evil the person is. It was what say, Ujisikana on from Euradi, and correct. Ubia no ojisika ode mawurade sanso na konfo bia ni ho a oto odwan a ode ma nananom konfo na na kum odwan ne di mogya no apizi gos no ohia enam no konfo ne ne tia me na awie enso ukọ aduro so ne yakase fa akokọ bra ene amene ukase ko antoa ensuo ni so ukọ ho a ubehu wo mo di odwan ebre antoa nsuo nyama ubehu wo mo di akokọ ebre antoa nsuo nyama Womwa esu epacho Pentecost for Assemblies of God for omudi onyane nkokọ kọ ne they are not offended, but or the one city ebanyame fie wo a obeye akonkyere obeye mpaibo owu a opese sofo nsa magina awiem na ombo mass onsa anye awufusom ema no, but or the one city breast sofo na or the betonsu anom na osofo odi bia yempuntudwuma asole dan ho baabi sey ya odibia sey ya eno no sa o kristoni no o problem sofo ne ya azan onye papa de obi a pe ne ho na waye ne ho no media me pe me ho na maye me ho no de wo so pe ho ene waye wo ho no enti ye nyina ye de namu kwabena moa ene namu obra de aduru akiri ye nyina ye ne namu saa si ye ne namu ani oh my goodness. Christopher, omo ye funny say. Me OPATAFUOR de say asofo nyina wo wi ase te se me OPATAFUOR a nka unya sofu bia ndi na temu dabi ene ma yedin na mo hweme mo adwene mu oha nkasa adwene na ekura mo no emu oha me dwene ho a mentem ase a kristofo binum mo adwene mu oha pa ye na metime dwene ho a ubetimi aya akonkyene na kristoni no waye se prako na wo de asere enhyira e de ama no na onenam saa na wama bonsam agi enhyira no e de afiri ne nsam enti kristoni bia anye yie nkwa akiri kristoni bia onye yie nkwa akiri kristoni aye yie abosomi mienu mfie miensa mfie nan no asaba no osu oboa secret society ni a de bia oye yie saa de bia obetua na bo ade e de ma grandmaster na grandmaster amana ye yie ba kristoni di obebu kwase a obese di watem wasese kwase a wetimi yesofo wo wusu ni nyame nyambe tua oka na omo nyinie na sebe omo pese ekwan beda ho na watimi anya waku ba watimi anya waku e de ama ne bosom na ode aye ritual na ohye akire na obojam asofo abanka ne kore sofo bia ni ho wo ga na oye papa nyam asofo ga na nyambe tua omo ka asofo ni nyina ya azan asofo ni yese ya sei na kristoni na nani age onim sa akwa na oti radio no so na okeka sa no opese ekwan beda ho na onya ukun na ode wo ye sacrifice etide bia se ya de bia se ya enti ubehu kristoni no obi a wo se wo ye kristoni pa eso se yetime chi ukun te sa aboa eti kramoni bas kran kohwe wo sa kramoni bas konfuo etimi boa ne ho se okọ akom festival omu nyina be kwa ba sunjiem obi awu Kristo ni tena ka mu a na de na hwewo paw no awu adentia because we Jimmy akwa no take care ni mu kono driver ni church members ni nyina o ma Jimmy enti ye beku omu ni ahobambo saa na omu tie shiakai enti me fa ho be opatafoɔ metiwi me fa ho me da na mada obambofuo bi na bo be ho bai masa mami twamobo me koda baba ya me adwa ebesia ya nhia biem kura am all right a Christopher adwene mu ohadodo ebinom te sɛ mmoa omodwene te sɛ mmoa wodwene ho a wonte nase shia Christopher shia kai Mama bai right mo lifestyle no mo ntonko so ati Holy Ghost fire tutuo ba ko pay mama bai